Angelic sound of doom, white noise prayers in a fallen room. Angelic sound of doom, lullaby for the end time bloom. Angelic sound of doom, no screams, just a silver tomb. Calm as sleep when the sky caves in. Peace hums and the clock goes mute. Sirens melt into violins, final illusory soft as sin. Buildings blow like tired saints, nothing rushes, nothing breaks. Angels humming minor keys, wings made out of frequencies. No firestorm, no bitter cry, just a gentle closing eye. Countdown whispered, not announced, fate arrives without a bounce. All the chaos learned to rest, end of days dressed well undressed. Side of you, static felt in velvet tubes. Angelic sound of doom, every fear feels overgrown. Oceans hush, machines slow down, graveyards breathe beneath the ground. No one runs, no one hides, acceptance drifting worldwide. Prophets tired, gods on mute, heaven leaks a softer truth. Doom ain't loud like we were told, it's quiet, warm and getting cold. Even wars forget to fight under this descending light. Final chapter reads like sleep, nothing left we have to keep. Hush, listen. If this is how it all must end, I'm okay, my old friend. No terror in the closing door, just a tone I've heard before. Maybe peace was always there, hidden underneath the glare. When the noise is finally gone, the end just sings and moves on. Angelic sound of doom, gentle claw of cosmic wound. Angelic sound of doom, cradle song for all that blooms. Angelic sound of doom, when the last light leaves the room. I don't fight, I don't run, I hum along to the tune